Welcome back to Silicophilic. Have you ever tried signing into a Microsoft app or service on your Windows PC only to be greeted by the frustrating error 0x88ffc009? No detailed explanation, no clear reason, just the message can't sign in. At first glance, it looks like a temporary server problem, but in reality, this Windows sign-in error can be triggered by several different issues that block Microsoft's authentication servers. In this video, I will show you the proven solutions to fix Windows error 0x88ffc009. Let's get started. Disconnect and reconnect your Microsoft account. Sometimes Word can't authenticate because the Microsoft account connected to Windows has become out of sync. Reconnecting the account refreshes the authentication token. Press Windows+I to open settings, go to Accounts, then User. Click on the other drop-down menu next to your Microsoft account. Click Remove, restart your computer, return to the same page and sign in again and open Word. Also ensure that you have a stable internet connection. This refreshes your account connection and often resolves persistent sign-in errors like 0x88ffc009. Delete Microsoft Office file cache. Office stores cached sign-in information locally. If this cache becomes corrupted, Word may repeatedly fail to sign in. Close all Office applications, press Windows+R, type this in the Run command box. Locate your Office version folder, locate the Office file cache folder and delete the contents. Restart your PC, open Word and sign in again. Doing so clears temporary files and is often necessary to resolve syncing issues, fix lagging Office apps or free up large amounts of disk space. Sign out of all Microsoft apps. Sometimes Windows stores an outdated authentication session that prevents new sign-in attempts. Sign out of every Microsoft application that's currently using your account, including Xbox app, Microsoft Store, Minecraft Launcher, Microsoft Edge. Restart your computer. After Windows loads, sign back into the Microsoft Store first and then open Word or the application where the error appeared. Clear Office account credentials. Open Windows Credential Manager. You can search for it in the Start menu. Navigate to the Windows Credentials tab. Look for entries related to Microsoft Office, OneDrive or the affected accounts and remove them. Move your file to the correct OneDrive folder. Press Windows+E to open File Explorer, File and open OneDrive. Check if you have multiple OneDrive folders such as OneDrive Personal, OneDrive Company Name, duplicate folders with similar names. Locate the Word document that's causing the error. If it's stored in an incorrect or duplicate OneDrive folder, cut the file using Ctrl+X. Navigate to your primary OneDrive documents folder. Pass the file there using Ctrl+V. Wait for OneDrive to finish syncing. Open the document from its new location and try signing in or saving again. Only delete duplicate or unused OneDrive folders if you are certain that they don't contain important files. If you are unsure, leave them as they are. Repair Microsoft Office. The next thing you can try is repairing the Office installation. Microsoft itself recommends this whenever Office applications fail to open or behave unexpectedly. To do this, open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Look at Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365. Click the three-dot menu, select Modify, select Repair, restart your PC after the repair finishes. Also make sure Word is updated. Final thoughts. Error 0x88ffc009 is rarely caused by an incorrect password. In most cases, it's a Windows authentication issue involving Microsoft account services, Xbox components, gaming services, Microsoft Store files, saved credentials, or network configuration. Start with the simplest fixes. Check Microsoft's server status, synchronize your Windows date and time. Clear the Microsoft Store cache, repair gaming services, reset the Xbox app. For most Windows users, one of these solutions restores Microsoft account sign-in without requiring a complete Windows reinstall. If this guide helped you fix Windows sign-in error 0x88ffc009, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Windows troubleshooting guides. If you're still experiencing the issue, let us know in the comments which Windows version you are using, the Microsoft app, where the error appears, and which troubleshooting steps you have already tried. That information can help identify the exact cause. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.